Hello all, welcome back at waytotesting.com, and today we will learn that how to send our complete project on the GitHub. Means suppose that if you have any project and you want to store this project on your GitHub, then how it will be done. So first of all, you should have an account or a user on the GitHub. For example, that I have already signed up myself on the GitHub, and this is my username. Okay, so I have GitHub account. For example, that I want to send this project on some GitHub repository. So first of all, you need to download Git Bash, Git Bash actually. So I will give you the URL in the description. This is the URL. From here you can just download the Git Bash. So you will go to this URL and you will get different setups like this one, like Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. So according to your OS, just click on this one. It will be downloaded in your download folder, and just double click on it, and just simply click next as you used to install in the some other software. It will be installed in your machine. Now, if you have done so, just go to your project and find its location. So go to the property, you will get its location like this one. So this is the location of your project. So I will go to my directory, and this is the location of my project like this one. This one. Okay. So this is the find email. It is the location of my project. So I will simply right click on it, and I will get this option if I have installed the git bash. So git bash here. I will click on it. Uh, Cell window will get open. Now there is some command that you need to run. This is the first command, git config global user dot name. Just simply copy and paste this one, and inside the double braces you have to give your username. I will I have given, and inside again you have to authenticate yourself by using the email ID. So just copy this one and paste this one. Then now this time in the double braces you have to give your email ID of your GitHub account. Now you have to initiate your Git. So just simply type git init command. So it will be initiated. Now simply type another command to add this one. Git add space dot enter. It will take some time. Now just commit your all the code. So copy this one and just paste this one and enter. Now it will take some time. You can see your all the has been commit has been done. Now you can also check the status whether the commit has been done or not. So you can say git status command. So this one you will get no branch master, nothing to commit. Okay. So now if you have done this one, so inside if your folder you will get a git folder inside your folder. Just simply right click on this. Now you have done till now. Now just go to your GitHub and create a repository. So I will create a repository in my GitHub account. I will just click on the this plus icon. I will go to the new repository. I will click on it, and here I will get the option, and here I will enter my project name. You can give any name, but I used to give a meaningful name like a find email. This one. You can give any name. I'm just giving my project name so that I can find it easily. Just click on the create repository. So if you have done so, you will get an URL. You can use both the URL, SSH URL, HTTP URL, but I used to follow the HTTP URL. So just copy this URL. You can copy it from here and go to your project and just right click on it, and then you will get an option like team. Okay, so go to here in the remote, or you can also just do it from here also as a commit. You can also follow this one, but I do not used to follow this step. So just simply go to your team and just disconnect this one from here. Now refresh this project little bit, and then go to the team. You will get an option like shared project option. Just click on it. So if dot folder is available on your directory or your here means in a workspace, so you will get this option like this one. means in repository it will show the .git. So just click on the finish. As you will finish this one, that's it. Again go to here. Now go to the team. Inside the remote you will get this push option. If you are not getting the push option, then it was the step, then you can go to here. Just click on the push option. You will get this one, this URL. Okay. And if still you are if this window is blank, so you do not need to worry. Just copy this one and just go to here and just paste it here. If you will paste it here, you will get this option. This option already filled out. Here you have to select the exact HTTPS because we have taken the path of HTTPS. Go to here. You have to enter your username and password of your GitHub account. And if you don't want to enter it again and again, then click on this one. Now click on the next button. So this window will appear. So just click on it and go to the master branch. Inside the master branch, just remove the master and add the star so that your all files should get added. So just do the same in the source and destination and then click on the add spec button. This one will appear. I will choose force update so that my all the files would get updated on the GitHub, and I will click on the next button and it will take some time, and this is the your GitHub URL you will get. You can share this Git URL in your deliverables. Now I will click on the finish. It will take some time because you can see that it's pushing this project. Now if this window will appear, that means your project has been updated to the GitHub. Now click on the close button and now go to your here in your GitHub repository and click on the refresh button. You can see your all the project has been imported here. You click on this one, you can see there is a 4 classes that I have created. If I go to here inside the email landing this one, so there is a 4 classes is available here. Okay, so this is a simple way that you can follow to add your project in your GitHub. Okay, so there is also a lot of ways somebody is doing here and they are just doing the committing this one and copying and pasting this one. You can also do these all things. Sometimes you will get the direct this option, you will not get this option like push is not enabled. So just go to here and just disconnect it. And after disconnecting, just go to here and again you will share the project. You will get this one. But the basic lines uh, like this one, the basic command that you have to run. These are all the basic commands that you have to run, and then you have to also download this git bash in your machine and install it so that you will get this option. Okay, so this is a simple way that you can upload. The simplest way I will try to say that this is the simplest way that you can add your project directly to the GitHub. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a great day.